In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new search tool in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever spent too much time hunting for a specific invoice, payment, or expense, this update is going to make your day. The new search is designed to be fast, flexible, and easy to understand, so you can get to the information you need without digging through multiple menus. Start by clicking on the search bar at the top of your QuickBooks Online screen. It's usually in the header area, easy to spot. As soon as you click, you can begin typing. You don't have to remember exact amounts, dates, or account names. Just type what you know. You'll see suggestions appear as you type, and you can either click a suggestion or press Enter to view a list of results. From there, select the transaction you're looking for to open it right away. If you don't see what you need on the first pass, simply refine your words and try again. Here's what makes this new search powerful. It uses AI to understand natural language. That means you can use everyday sentences to look for transactions. For example, type something like, invoice from last month, expenses over $200, payment received from a specific customer, or bill due this week. You can even mix details like refund from last quarter or bank deposit in June. The tool interprets these phrases, matches them to your books, and surfaces relevant results. If the results feel broad, add a bit more context, such as a transaction type, a time frame, or a dollar amount, to narrow it down. When you need a more structured view, click on Advanced Transaction Search to switch into advanced mode. This opens a table of transactions that you can scan at a glance. You'll see rows and columns with key details, and you can sort by columns like date or amount to quickly bring what you need to the top. That's all there is to it. Use the main search bar for quick, natural language lookups and switch to advanced mode for a structured table of results. With this new tool, finding what you need in QuickBooks Online is faster and more intuitive than ever. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another QuickBooks tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.